Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I want to show you how I do my barbecue catfish. So of course you need your catfish with you. This is my catfish. I washed it with lime, hot water and salt because it's very slimy, so I wanted it to be clean. So I already washed it clean, and of course if you can see I really cut it. I make this cut on the fish so that I can put in my spices inside and it will just go well, and every part of the fish is going to taste so good. So this is my fish, and let me go straight ahead and show you the ingredients which I'll be using to doing this barbecue catfish. Of course I have my onions with me, I have pepper, I have ginger, this is ginger, and I have garlic. And I also have my celery and my poivron. I'm going to be using this. I will blend all of that together and I will use it to marinate the fish, to season the fish. And also I have my white pepper with me. It's already ground. This is ground white pepper. I'm going to be using like 1 spoon of white pepper. I have my Maggi with me, seasoning cube. I'm going to be using my Maggi crevet because this is what I have. You can use normal Maggi or normal Maggi seasoning cube. I have my salt with me to taste, and I have curry powder. I'm going to put in a little bit of curry powder, not too much. I just want to have the extra flavor. Of course I have my cooking oil with me. This is vegetable oil. And also I also have 1 spices. This is mixed herbs, whole mixed herbs. It looks like thyme, but it is not thyme, it's a herb. So when I blend all of these ingredients together, I'm going to use it to marinate the fish, and then I'm going to use my aluminum foil paper to wrap the fish, and we're going to put it in the oven to barbecue the fish, to cook it. So guys, let me go straight ahead and blend all the ingredients and I'll be right back. So this is my spices, everything is here. I even put in the Maggi, the seasoning cube, and I'm just going to blend all of that together. And after I blend it, I'm going to mix in my white pepper. After I blend, I'm going to mix in my white pepper. I'm going to mix in my curry powder and my herbs. Of course I'm going to season the fish with a little bit of salt. So guys, this is the spices which I've blended. I'm just going to add in the dry spices. This is my white pepper. I'll put 1 spoon of white pepper. White pepper is really good with fish, so I'm going to add in 1 spoon of white pepper. And this is my curry powder. I'm going to add in 1 spoon of curry powder. Oh, that's a lot. It's not going to be like really 1 spoon because I don't want it to be yellow. And then this is my mixed herb. I'm just going to add in 1 spoon. That was not full. That should be okay. So I'm going to mix all of that together, which I'm going to use to season the fish before putting it in the oven. If you don't like garlic, you can actually omit the garlic, but the garlic is really good. If you have never used garlic before to barbecue your fish or to fry your fish, try and use garlic, and come back below this video and comment and let me know how it turned out. So this is ready. Okay guys, so I'm just going to put my aluminum foil on my tray. Then I'm going to put in some oil. The reason why I'm putting in this oil because I don't want the fish to stick on the aluminum, the foil paper. So I'm going to use my brush to just brush that around. I'm going to start with this fish. As you guys know, the fish is very big, so I actually cut it into two. I'm going to do it like a half. So I'm going to put my salt. You don't want to put too much of salt because you already have your... So I'm just going to use my hand to... I want to make sure that the salt goes inside the fish. I'm just going to turn that and do the same. That's a lot. And do the same for this fish. After which I'm going to put in my spices. Everything is here, already mixed in the spices. I'll use my brush to actually put it inside. You want to make sure that everything goes inside. That's why I make all these holes. You want to make sure you have enough of this marinade. Marinate the fish very well, because the secret to this fish is the seasoning. If you don't season it well, you're just going to have a fish that is not tasty. And the pepper also, it depends on you. If you're not someone who likes something that's very spicy, you just reduce the amount of pepper. For me, with catfish, I need a lot of pepper. Just want to put in the spices in between, because I want it to marinate. I want everything to go inside this fish. I don't want any story. No story at all. Guess I have to use my hand. I'm scared of this pepper. Use as many of this marinade as you can. Okay, I guess this is okay. So what I will just do now, I'm just going to wrap the fish. I have to double this wrap it up. So I'm just going to wrap it again. And that's it. My fish is ready to go to the oven. I'm going to preheat my oven first for about 10 minutes before putting in this fish in the oven. I'm going to do the other fish offline, guys, and I'll show you guys the end product after this. So my oven is now hot. I'm going to put in the fish inside, and I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. I will turn after 15 minutes. I'm going to turn the side. So guys, yeah, I will show you the end product when I'm done. So I just took it out from the oven. I've been cooking it for like, I cook it for 30 minutes guys, while turning the side. This is really well cooked guys. I'm going to eat this with Irish and some salad, garnish it. So I'm going to put everything and I'll show you how it looks like. So guys, this is the final product. I garnish it with some parsley. That is my salad, and this is my fried potatoes. So yeah guys, this is it. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to drop your comments down below this video. And yeah, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And as you do so, God bless you. I'll see you again in my next video guys. Have a blessed day and have a great day. Bye.